Today, we're going to talk about how to make a key fob using machine embroidery. I'll be demonstrating on a Baby Lock 6-needle embroidery machine, but any brand or type of embroidery machine can be used. The materials you'll need are a piece of marine grade vinyl, thread, Kam Snaps, and Kam Snap pliers. In this example, I'm using a piece of vinyl that I had left over from an upholstery project. You will need an embroidery design for your key fob. If you have digitizing software, you can create your own design, or you can purchase a design from one of the online design shops. I created this design using Masterworks 2. If you want to make more than one key fob at a time, you can use editing software to combine your designs into a single file for your machine. Using my largest hoop, I can make 11 of this design. Next, we'll put the vinyl in our hoop. There's no need for a stabilizer with this type of material. We want the vinyl to be tight like a drum in the hoop. We need another piece of vinyl for the back of the key fob. It needs to be the size of our embroidery design. We'll cut it out now, but we won't need it until later. Next, we load the design into our machine. This design has two sections, the words Amelia Island and the anchor outline. We want the machine to stop before stitching the outline so we can add the backing to our key fob. If your machine has the capability to add a reserve stop, you can advance to the outline section and push the reserve stop button. Be sure you set the machine back to the beginning of the design before you start to stitch. We are now ready to start stitching. If you didn't set a reserve stop before the outline stitch, watch your machine closely and stop it before it starts stitching the outline. Now we will remove the hoop from our machine and apply our vinyl backing. I use tape to secure the backing so that it doesn't slip while I'm mounting the hoop on the machine. Depending on what color thread you used, you may wish to switch bobbins so the outline color on the back of your key fob will match the color on the front. We'll mount the hoop on the machine and start to stitch the outline. If you have a free arm machine, you can look underneath and see the outline stitching on the back. Once the outline has finished stitching, we will remove the hoop from the machine. We can turn the hoop over and see the back of our key fobs. We have a little bit of thread trimming to do. I use a thread cutter and some sharp scissors to trim the threads. Trim each key fob close to the outline stitching using some sharp scissors. Next, we'll apply the Kam Snaps. I purchased my Kam Snap set on Amazon, but it came with regular length prong Kam Snaps. For the vinyl, we need extra long prong Kam Snaps. I ordered these from kamsnaps.com. Using the tool that came with the Kam Snap set, we poke a hole in the center of each of the stitched placeholders in our design. Each key fob requires 4 Kam Snap pieces. There are 2 identical buttons with prongs. We poke these through the holes we just punched with the button on the front of the key fob. Then we add a boy part to the top prong and a girl part to the bottom prong. Using the pliers that came with our Kam Snap set, we squeeze the Kam Snap parts together. Next, we add the keyring and snap the Kam Snap. Now our key fobs are finished and ready to give as gifts to our favorite people. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Happy stitching!